Mpumelelo Mseleku, he had another girlfriend. You understand it? That boy, he can't stay away from drama. And he doesn't saw his father, guys. His father end up in hospital because of those dramas, of those Istanbul, because there was a lot of drama in season 8 about the number 5. You understand it? Musa Mseleku, he end up in hospital. That boy, he doesn't learn a lesson. Look at Lwandle. Lwandle, he saw everything. That's why Lwandle, he doesn't want Istanbul. You understand it? Lwandle, he doesn't want Istanbul because he knows that Istanbul polygamy affects his father a lot. You understand it? Even to Mpumelelo, there is a lot of drama. We know that Msamseleku forced Mpumelelo to stay with Voikazi, but Mpumelelo, he doesn't want Voikazi. He is not in love with Voikazi, but they have got already have a child, Hlopekazi, the firstborn. That's why Musamseleku says he had to stay with the mother of the child, but Mpumelelo, he doesn't want Voikazi. We understand that, but now he is married to another girlfriend. You understand him? Guys, that boy, he can't stay away of drama. We know that Mpumelelo loves Tirelo, but that boy, he wants to be like his father. You know that Mpumelelo, he wants to control everything sometimes. You understand it? So guys, Tirelo, she was complaining that maybe he is going to marry that girl. She will be the first wife. And Tirelo, she wants to be a first wife. You understand it? So guys, we don't know the things between, because we have to see Izingani's temple in 25 May. You understand? In 25 May, we have to so Izingane system, because Tirelo, she had got a conversation with Musamseleko. You understand? Guys, most of the times, that's why Mayeni, she doesn't want drama. You understand? Because Mayeni saw that those girls, those Mpumelelo's wives, like Voikazi, they go to Mayeni and start complaining to Mayeni, and Mayeni, she doesn't want those things with Mpumelelo he is doing. You understand? That's why Tirelo, she goes to his father. She had a conversation with his father, because Mayeni, she doesn't want anything drama. She doesn't want drama because Mayeni told him, her husband, something like that, those girls, they will come back to Mayeni and crying to Mayeni. You understand? And Mayeni, she doesn't involved with Mpumelelo's dramas. You understand?